Okay, is my screen visible? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Whiteboard. Isn't it?
No, is written something.
Last class we have already discussed how to compute PV ratio, profit volume ratio, how to compute contribution. Yes or no? So today we are going
Yes.
to discuss about the break-even analysis. Okay, so break-even analysis may be performed by two methods. Please remember, here I'm writing. Give me a minute. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the method of break-even analysis. Method of break-even analysis. So break-even analysis can be performed by two methods. Please remember, first one is algebraic method. And second one is graphical presentation method. Graphical presentation method. Okay. So first we must discuss about the algebraic method, how we are computing the break-even point on the basis of break-even analysis. So with the help of break-even analysis, we can also estimate what will be our sales when we have already targeted some desired amount of profit, or some targeted profit when we have already uh, mentioned. In that case, how we are going to compute the desired amount of sales. In order to achieve the desired amount of profit, what will be desired amount of sales, or in order to achieve the desired amount of sales, what will be the desired amount of profit. So break-even analysis is one of the important tool, as well as essential tool for the management to take the decisions about to achieve the desired sales as well as desired profit. Clear? So under break-even algebraic method, first we are going to compute the break-even point. Okay, we are going to compute break-even point. So in our last class, I hope we have already discussed about what is break-even point, isn't it? I hope you know what is BEP.
Yes.
What is BEP?
No profit.
No profit, no loss. That means
No
profit or loss will
total
be zero. When profit or loss will be zero?
zero.
When total cost will be equal to
Total
total
cost
sales, isn't it? So that is the condition. So why break-even point is essential? If we know the break-even point, then we can able to estimate, or we can able to predict the desired amount of sales as well as desired amount of profit. Okay, let's say in a company, the management has already taken the decision that this quarter we are going to achieve 100 lakhs of profit this quarter. So here 100 lakhs of profit is the target set by the management. This is the desired profit set by the management. So in order to achieve this 100 lakhs, what will be the volume of sales? Okay, so that's why break-even analysis is very much essential. Clear? So here are some fundamental formula for break-even analysis. Please remember, break-even analysis can be under break-even analysis, break-even point can be computed with help of quantity as well as values. Values means rupees. Quantity means what should be the number of quantity of sales. Okay, or what will be the volume that means value of sales. Volume of sales and value of sales. Volume means what? Quantity. So BEP in units. In units. Jadi unit re ame break even point compute kariba. How we are going to compute? This is the formula. Please remember total fixed cost. Okay. What is the total fixed cost? Total fixed cost or total, this is the period cost. Okay. Divided by contribution per unit. Contribution per unit. What is the unit contribution and what is the total fixed cost? Okay. On the basis of that, we can able to compute the break-even point in units. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So give me 1 minute. I am just back. Just a minute. Hold on, please. Okay. Are you there? Can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. So this is how we are going to compute the break-even point in terms of quantity. That means in units. Total fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Per unit contribution, please remember. Not total amount of contribution. And break-even point, if we are going to compute in terms of value, value means in rupees or in currency. Here, how to compute? So this is total fixed cost.
PB ratio.
Total fixed cost
No
by
PB ratio.
contribution into sales. Into sales. Clear? So if we'll replace this one, we can write total fixed cost divided by contribution again divided by sales. So contribution by sales is known as PV ratio. Yes or no? This will be total fixed cost divided by PV ratio. If PV ratio is given, directly you can also apply this formula. Clear? Yes or no? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is the
Yes, sir.
two formula, a two model we are going to apply in order to compute the break-even point. Okay. So let us take one example for better understanding. So this is the example given. from the following data, from the following data, compute BP in quantity and values. Okay, BP in quantity and BP in values. So here a total amount of fixed cost, total fixed cost is given. Total fixed cost is given, that is rupees 12,000. Okay, and selling price is given. Selling price of the product is also given, that is rupees 12 per unit. Per unit selling price is rupees 12. Clear? And variable cost per unit is also given. Variable cost per unit is given, that is rupees 9 per unit. Clear? So from this information, we are going to compute the break-even point in terms of unit and in terms of rupees or values. Clear? So first, in order to compute the break-even point in units, what do we need? We need the total amount of fixed cost. Yes or no? Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Contribution per unit, isn't it? So here contribution is not given. So what we need? Fixed cost. First we need fixed cost. In numerator fixed cost we need. So fixed cost is there. Contribution is not there. How to find out the contribution? Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Yes or no? So selling price per unit is given, that is 12. Variable cost per unit is given, that is 9. So what is the contribution per unit? 3 rupees, isn't it? Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be my
Yes, sir.
BEP in units? 12,000 divided by 3.
Equal to
That is
4,000.
equal to 4,000. 4,000 means it is not rupees. 4,000 units. Okay. On the basis of the information, if the entity or if the company is going to manufacture 4,000 units of product, then it will achieve no profit, no loss.
No loss.
Clear? Yes or no? Did you understand? First one. Ha ya nahi? You can write in the chat box Y or N. If you can understand, you can write Y. Y stands for yes, N stands for no. Only one I'm getting. 2. Okay. Thank you very much. So now let us compute BEP in rupees or in values. What is the formula or what is the model we have already taken? How to compute? Fixed cost divided by PV ratio, isn't it? Ha ya nahi?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So fixed cost is given. Now we must first compute what is PV ratio here. So in order to compute PV ratio, what is the formula? Can you tell me? What is the formula for PV
The
ratio?
contribution by V.
Contribution by sales.
Contribution by sales into 100, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So what is my contribution here? Contribution per unit, we have already computed 3 rupees. What is the contribution? Sales per unit is given 12 rupees in 200. Ha ya nahi?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the percentage? PV ratio 3 by 12 into 4. 3 by 12 means 1 by 4. 25%.
25%.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Clear. Okay. So now I'm going to compute. I got the PV ratio. What is the fixed cost given in the question? 12,000. What is the PV ratio? 25%. So 12,000 divided by 25%. That means 0.25. How much we are getting? How much we are getting? 1 by 4. 25% means 1 by 4. So it will be 12,000 into 4. That is 48,000. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Simple.
Yes.
This is 12,000 divided by 25% means 1 by 4. So how will write 12,000 into 4 by 1? हाँ या नहीं? फटाफट से बताइए. So that is 48,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my value of sales is 48,000. That means if the company is going to sell rupees 48,000, values of the goods of rupees 48,000, then it will incur no profit and no loss. Did you understand? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whether we are correct or not, how to verify? Let us verify. Let us verify. Okay. So how will verify? We can verify ourselves. So you know, BEP, how we are saying BEP means what? It is a situation where total cost is equal to total sales. हाँ या नहीं?
Yes,
Total
sir.
cost is equal to total sales. So what do we need? We need first total cost. What is our total cost? Total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost, because no other cost is there under marginal costing. Yes or no? So what is the amount of fixed cost given? 12,000. Then what is the amount of variable cost? That is total variable cost. 4,000 units. Yes or no? We have already computed 4,000 units is our break-even point, na? Where there will be no profit and no loss. Are you getting or not getting? Yes or no? I'm not getting any response. If you will not respond, then it is difficult me to proceed further.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You may not unmute yourself. You can write in your chat box why you are in. Otherwise it is quite difficult me to proceed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 4,000 is the BP in units. So what is the variable cost per unit given in the question? 9 rupees. Clear?
Yes.
So that is 12,000 plus 36,000. Isn't it? What is my total cost? My total cost is rupees 48,000. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now, what I need? I need my total sales. What is my total sales? Sales per unit is given 12 rupees. So my BEP I have already computed. BEP in units is 4,000. 4,000 into 12, that is rupees 48,000. Yes or no? See,
Yes.
here my total cost is 48,000 and my total sales is 48,000. That means in both quantity 4,000 is correct, in values 48,000 is also correct. Your total cost is 48,000 and total sales amount is 48,000. What will be your profit? What will be your profit?
No profit, no loss.
No profit,
No
no
profit.
loss.
Profit is zero.
Zero. That means we got our break-even point. Yes or no? We got our break-even point. So this is how we are going to compute the break-even point. Clear? So let us take another example where we are going to calculate the profit at different level of sales or different volume of sales. Okay. So here is the example. The data is given. These are the data. First one, fixed cost is given. That is total fixed cost, rupees 12,000. Fixed cost. Okay. Selling price per unit is given. Please remember, selling price per unit is given. That is rupees 12. And variable cost per unit is also given. The same data we are taking once again, that is 9. Okay. Now, question is like this. What will be the profit when sales are 60,000 and 1 lakh? What will be the profit when sales are means first condition, if sales is rupees 60,000. If you are selling 60,000 rupees goods or product, what will be the profit? Second, if we are selling rupees 1 lakh value of the product, what will be the profit? That is the question. Are you getting? Did you got the question?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, what do we need? What do we need? How to compute the profit? That is a
Profit equal to total
Sales
sales
price minus cost price.
total
Acha, total sales minus total
cost.
cost. Okay. So total sales 60,000 is given. What is the total cost? What is the total cost? How to know the total cost? That is difficult.
Fixed cost plus variable cost.
Acha, fixed cost plus variable cost. Fixed cost is given, period cost in total.
Yes.
1 साल का, 1 महीना का, 1 क्वार्टर का दे दिया है. But variable cost is total variable cost is not given.
Not given.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So what I need sales. That
Variable
is your
cost.
sales is given. I need a variable cost. So simply we can find out what is the profit. Please remember how to get the profit. We are going for the solution. You know, contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So profit will be contribution minus fixed cost. Yes or no?
Yes.
In order to get the profit, if we deduct the fixed cost, total amount of fixed cost from the total contribution, we can able to get profit. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Now sales is given. Okay. So what we need? We need contribution. So in order to get the contribution, please remember PV ratio is equal to contribution by sales. So here contribution per unit, what is the amount of contribution? 12 minus 9 divided by 12. That is equal to 25%. That is equal to 25%. So this is the formula for PV ratio. PV ratio is equal to contribution by sales. So what will be my contribution? My contribution will be sales into PV ratio. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is my sales given? What is the amount of sales given?
60,000.
60,000. So 60,000 into 25%. I have already computed the PV ratio. So 25,000 of 60,000 will be 15,000. Isn't it?
Yes.
So total contribution amount is 15,000. So what will be my profit? 15,000 minus, what is the total fixed cost given in the question? Look here.
12,000.
In the data, it is already given 12,000. So my contribution is 15,000 and fixed cost for the period is given 12,000. I can able to get rupees 3,000 as the profit. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Rupees 3,000 as my profit. Clear?
Yes.
So this is how I can able to compute the profit in the first case. In the second case, in the similar way, you just compute the profit in the second case. बुझी पाले ना नहीं 60,000 तो हमें प्रॉफिट जेतेबेले सेल्स हमर होबो 60,000 सेतेबेले प्रॉफिट केते होबो 3,000 रुपीस जेतेबेले हमर सेल्स होची 1 लाख व्हाट विल बी द प्रॉफिट यू जस्ट कंप्यूट इट डिड यू गेट इट yes sir in the same way similar way you can able to compute the profit
13,000.
13,000 13,000 means 1 3 or 30 13,000
1 3.
1 3 so it may be 30,000 how you are computing again same contribution is equal to sales into PV ratio so here sales is 1 lakh in the second case this is the case number 2 okay this is case number 1 so 1 lakh into PV ratio is 25% so 25% of 1 lakh that is 25,000 clear my profit will be contribution minus fixed cost so 25,000 and fixed cost is given 12,000 that will be 13,000 you are correct
13,000.
you are correct is it clear
Yes.
did you understand when
Yes.
the different level of sales are given what will be the profit now we are going to calculate the desired profit desired profit calculation of sales for desired profit let's say your desired amount of profit you require certain amount of profit then what will be your sales मुझे इतना प्रॉफिट चाहिए तो कितना मेरा सेल्स कितना होना चाहिए okay so what will be my sales when I am going to fix or when I am going to target a certain amount of profit so let us take the same figure we are taking the same figure means same data are you there same data we are taking once
Yes.
again clear so same data means these are the data fixed cost is given 12,000 sales price per unit is given 12 rupees variable cost per unit is also given 9 rupees now what will be the amount of sales what is the question the data is same now question is this what will be the amount of sales if it is desired to earn if it is desired to earn a profit of case number 1 rupees 6,000 case number 2 rupees 15,000 did you got the question did you understand the question ଆପଣ ବୁଝି ପାରିଲେ
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
ଆମେ ସାର୍ ସେଲଟାକୁ ଆମେ ହଉଛି ପାଇବା where profit
ସେଇଠି
is
ସାର୍ କଣ
2,000
ଥିଲା
rupees.
ସେଇଠି ଆମକୁ ସେଲ୍ସ ଦେଇଥିଲା ଆମର କେତେ ପ୍ରଫିଟ ହବ ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ କରୁଥିଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଇ କେସରେ କଣ କରିଛି ନା ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରଫିଟ ଆମେ ସେଟ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ଯେ ଆମକୁ 6,000 ଟଙ୍କା ପ୍ରଫିଟ ଦରକାର ତ କେତେ ଆମେ ସେଲ୍ସ କରିବା ସେଇ ଅନୁସାରେ ଫିକ୍ସ କଲେ ଆପଣ ସେଲ୍ସ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ସେଲ୍ସ ଟିମ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବା ସେଲ୍ସ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଦିସ୍ କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ଅର ଦିସ୍ ମନ୍ଥ ଅର ଦିସ୍ ଇୟର ଅର ଦିସ୍ ହାଫ ଇୟର ସେଲ୍ସ ଇଜ ଦିସ୍ you have to achieve how you are going to achieve this much of sales I don't know but you have to achieve this much of sales clear so profit is given now we are going to find out the sales please remember in this case when we are going to compute the sales for desired profit sales for desired profit. When desired profit is given, clear? How to compute? Fixed cost. आमे value रे लेथिले कोन fixed cost by PV ratio. Break even point जेतले compute करूथिले in terms of values rupees कोन नउथिले fixed cost by PV ratio.
PV ratio.
Yes or no?
एडी फिक्स कॉस्ट
तेणु करी हमर desired profit जेति कि सेति कि हम ऐड कर दबा. Fixed cost by PV ratio जेति कि आसुथला that is the point. Break even point where there is no loss, no gain or no profit. आबे desired profit fix करछंती. So break even point ऊपर हमें कोन करबा desired profit को ऐड कर दबा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the fixed cost given here in the same in the question?
12,000
Same question.
plus
12,000
6,000 plus 6,000
12,000.
plus 6,000. This is the case number 1. Case number 1, B10, 6,000 is our desired profit. What is the PV ratio? We have already computed 25%, I think. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
PV ratio इठी हमें compute करले ना कोठी? Here.
Yes.
बुझी पाले ना नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो केते आसुची मते टिक कोंतु?
4,500 ଆସିବ
हैं?
4,500 ଆସିବ
4,500.
Sir, 72,000.
4,500 केमते आसीबो म?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ sorry,
18,000
sorry.
into 4.
4 ହେଲେ ସାର୍ ହଉଛି 18,72,000 ସାର୍ 72,000 ଠିକ ଅଛି
72,000. Clear? That is the
Yes.
amount of sales I need to achieve in order to get 6,000 rupees of profit. Clear? 72,000 टंकार मते जदि जिंस मु बिक्री करिवि मते केते मिलिबो 6,000 टंका मिलिबो. सेकंड केस रे same sales for desired profit केते मिलिबो सही सेम फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस डीपी डिवाइडेड बाय पीवी रेशियो. Yes or no?
1,08,000
लक्षे
लक्षे
8,000 केमिति पाइबा 12,000 प्लस 15,000 एठी हमर डिजायर्ड प्रॉफिट होची सेकंड केस 15,000. सो 25%. केते आसिला 108
1,08,000.
1,08,000. Is it same for everyone? समस्त करे से 1,08,000 आसिला ना आउ कार किछि एक्स्ट्रा फिगर.
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଆସୁଛି
वेरी गुड.
27
Okay.
into 4 ଯାହା ହେଲା ଆଉ
हाँ तो आपण एठी जानि परले जे जेतेबे आपनकर गोटे सर्टन लेवल ऑफ प्रॉफिट हमको अर्न करिया पड़िबो केमिति हमें सेल्स कंप्यूटेशन करूछंती बा गोटे सर्टन लेवल ऑफ सेल्स हमको देइची बा नहीं लेवल ऑफ प्रॉफिट हमको अचीव करियार अछि गोटे हमें लेवल ऑफ सेल्स केते हमें कंप्यूट करिबा. क्लियर? आउ गोटे एग्जांपल नउची जदी किछि मिसिंग इंफॉर्मेशन अछि बा डेटा मिसिंग अछि अदर इंफॉर्मेशन आर देयर but some missing data are there. How we are going to compute the missing data? Let us take one example for this. So here sales is given. Sales is given in unit 4,000 units. Clear? Selling price per unit is given. Selling price per unit is given. How much? Rupees 10 per unit. Okay. And BEP in unit is also given. Break even point in quantity. That is also given. 1,500 units. Okay. And fixed cost is given. Fixed cost is given. That is rupees 3,000. Okay. Now question is, what is the amount of variable cost and what is the amount of profit? What is the amount of first? What is the amount of variable cost and amount of profit. Got the question? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन रे मु कोन देला सेल्स दे देला 4000 यूनिट देछि सेलिंग प्राइस होछि 10 rupees and BP in units देछि 1500 fixed cost is given 3000 we are going to compute what will be the variable cost as well as profit variable cost and profit how to get it when we are getting this kind of question, we must understand how to compute the variable cost. Okay. So we know contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Here, then from this particular equation, you just tell me how to compute variable cost.
Sir, variable cost equal to selling price contribution, selling price minus variable cost. Contribution.
Selling price minus contribution. You are correct. You are correct. Okay. So now, selling price per unit is given. Or total sales we can also find out per unit is given 10 rupees. Yes or no? What we need to compute? We need to compute the contribution. Okay. So here, if you look at the formula of BP in units, BP in units, how to compute fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Yes or no? So here,
Yes.
break-even point in unit is given in the question. That is 1500 units. And fixed cost is given in the question. What is the total amount of fixed cost? 3000. What do we need? We need contribution per unit. So how to compute contribution per unit? From this equation, contribution per unit.
2 per unit.
Eh?
2 আসছে
2
2 rupees.
2
How
rupees
did you
per
get it? 3000 divided by 1500. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
That is rupees 2 per unit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is rupees 2 per unit. So selling price per unit is given. Contribution per unit is also we have
Given.
computed. So
So
you can able to compute the variable cost. Variable cost is equal to sales price per unit is given 10. Contribution per unit we have already computed 2. So what is the variable cost per unit?
8 per unit.
Is it clear?
8 rupees per unit.
Yes, sir. 10 minus 2 equal to 8 rupees per unit.
8 rupees per unit. So that is our first bit. First bit means first part of the question. In the second part, we are going to compute the profit. Okay. In second part, we are going to compute the profit. Again, profit, we know how to compute the profit. Profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So total fixed cost is given, contribution per unit is given, and the total sales is also given. Total sales in units. Okay. So we can able to compute the total contribution on the basis of total sales. What will be total
Yes,
contribution? P is equal to 4000 units we are selling. Per unit contribution is 2 rupees minus fixed cost is given 3000 rupees total fixed cost. Okay. जदि एई केस रे फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट पर यूनिट देई थांता हमको आउ टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन कंप्यूट करिया को पड़ी नथा since total fixed cost is given so we need to compute total contribution clear
Yes, sir.
so this is 8000 minus 3000 how much you are getting
5,000.
did you understand this is how we are going to compute the missing data or missing figure. That means other set of data are given. So what we need to do, we are simply going to find out some missing data figure. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So BP, did you understand about BP break-even point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And why break-even point is important? You know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, now we are going to discuss another concept under break-even analysis, that is margin of safety. Margin of, okay. We are going to compute margin of safety. So it is the difference between, please remember, this margin of safety is the difference between actual sales minus break-even
Break-even.
sales. Break-even sales. Are you getting? What is our actual sales and what is the sales at our break-even point? So on the basis of that, we can able to find out the margin of safety. Clear? So when margin of safety is more, that means simply it indicates that the company is at a safer,
Profitable.
a safer place. No danger is there for the company or for the business organizer. So simply, let's say there are two companies. So X Limited is there, Y Limited is there, two companies are there. Okay. And X Limited is selling. Actual sales of X Limited is, let's say, 1,20,000, and Y Limited is selling 60,000 actual sales. And their break-even sales for both the companies in Melus, that is also given. That is 40,000 for company X and 40,000 for company Y. Break-even sales. So what will be the margin of safety? So margin of safety will be actual sales minus break-even sales. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here it will be 80,000 and here it will be 20,000.
20,000.
Clear? So margin of safety 80,000 means what? The company is at a better place than the company Y. We can also compute the margin of safety as a percentage of sales. Percentage of sales, how to compute? Margin of safety is our, this is margin of safety divided by sales. So margin of safety we have already computed 80,000 divided by, here sales is given 1,20,000. In this case it is 20,000 divided by 60,000. So what is the percentage? What is the percentage? I think this is 2/3. 2/3 means around 67%.
0.6.
Around 67%. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this is around
33.
33%. So which company is performing better? Definitely company X is performing
better.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chalo, next. Margin of safety is also directly related to profit. This margin of safety is directly related to profit. It has direct relationship on the profit. So how we can compute the profit is equal to margin of safety into PV ratio. When margin of safety is given, PV ratio is given, directly we can able to compute the profit. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the relationship with profit of margin of safety. If this is given, we can able to, let's say profit is given, PV ratio is given. We can also find out the margin of safety. हाँ या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
How? Profit by PV ratio? Yes or no? এই ইকুয়েশন ରୁ ୟାକୁ ତ ମୁଁ ଡିରାଇଭ୍ କରୁଛି ଆଉ କ'ଣ?
Sir,
Did you-
here margin of safety is in rupees or percentage?
କୋଉଟା?
ଏବେ ଯୋଉ MOS ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି P equal to MOS into PV
ମାର୍ଜିନ
ratio
ଅଫ ସେଫ୍ଟି
ଏଇ
ଟା
ଯୋଉ
ପରସେଣ୍ଟେଜ
MOS ଟା
ଆସିବ ନା, ଏଠି ପରସେଣ୍ଟେଜ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ କଲେ ବା।
percentage.
ହଁ, କ୍ଲିୟର? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when contribution per unit is given, alternative formula is also there. Okay. Margin of safety can be also computed with profit divided by contribution per unit. Profit is given, contribution per unit is given. We can also compute the margin of safety that are you there? Can you hear me?
Sir, margin of safety equal to profit by contribution per unit.
कंट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट जदि मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी आमे कहबा केते यूनिट आमे प्रोडक्शन कले आवर मार्जिन माने आमे कोन कहबा जे नहीं वी आर एट ए बेटर पोजीशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ यूनिट जदि कंप्यूट करिया दैट इज प्रॉफिट बाय
Contribution per unit.
सर मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी पर यूनिट कोन लिखले तळे गोटे यूनिट कोन लिखले गोटे परसेंटेज बा
It is number of unit ratio.
relationship with profit is equal to margin of safety into PV ratio. So say to derive करछन margin of safety in terms of rupees will be profit by PV ratio. Clear? Yes or no? Can you hear me? No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. To discuss about the second one, graphical representation. Second one is graphical representation. See, I'm taking here origin in x-axis I can take units of production, जदि हमें प्रोड्यूस कर प्रोडक्शन और इट मे बी यूनिट ऑफ सेल्स क्लियर दैट मीन्स here we are taking the quantity in x-axis and in y-axis we are taking cost or revenue. If sales is there, then there will be revenue. If production is there, then there will be cost. Clear? So in this direction, that means in y-axis we are taking cost or revenue. Just see. In marginal cost, costing, what happens? The fixed cost will remain constant for all levels of production. Yes or no? So that
Yes,
is
sir.
parallel to x-axis, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If we are producing 0 units, then this will be my fixed cost. If I am producing, let's say 0 to 500 units, my fixed cost will be also this much. If I am producing 1000 units, same. If I am producing 1500 units, it will be same. Isn't it? It
Yes.
will remain constant. So it is parallel to x-axis. That is my fixed cost line. This is my fixed cost line. Okay. Above the fixed cost, this is my total cost line. Please remember. Total cost line. Are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Total cost will above fixed cost. Why? If I am producing 0 unit, suppose my fixed cost is 10. So 0 unit will be fixed cost 10 rahibo. Ho na nahi? So it will be started from here. It will be started from this point. Are you getting? So
Yes,
this is
sir.
my total cost line. And my sales will start from 0 to upward. It will increase like this. This is my total sales line. Total sales line. My sales may be 0 unit or it may be 10 unit, it may be 500 unit like this. So it will move upward from 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Up to this, any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? No doubt.
No,
Now,
sir.
where total sales meet the total cost, this is the point. Are you getting? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Where
Yes, sir.
total sales meets
এটা বিপি হবো বিপি হবো
total cost.
Break-even point.
What is that? That point is known as break-even point. Yes or no? So break-even point ru jodi ame x-axis aଡକୁ vertical line mu draw କରୁଛି ଯୋଉଠି ମୁଁ ଟଚ୍ କଲି ସେଇଟା କେତେ ୟୁନିଟ ଆମେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ୟୁନିଟ ନେଇଥିବା ନା ନାହିଁ ମନେକର ଏଇଟାକୁ ଯଦି ମୁଁ 500 ଦଉଛି ଏଇଟା ନେଇଥିବି କଣ 1000
Unit.
yes or no suppose 1000 ରେ ସେ ଟଚ୍ କରୁଛି ମାନେ ମୋର ୟୁନିଟ ରେ କେତେ ୟୁନିଟ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ କରିବି 1000 ୟୁନିଟ ये जदि हॉरिजॉन्टली y एक्सिस को जोठी टच करूची ओके y एक्सिस को जोठी टच कला सेही पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट रे कोन पाइबी आइदर कॉस्ट और रेवेन्यू गोटे वैल्यू मिलिबो ना नै मते
Sir, in rupees.
व्हाट हैपेंड
In rupees, we will get either cost or.
very good here we will get bp in rupees here what we are getting that is bp in units am I correct
Yes,
all
sir.
of you yes or no
yes sir
So below the BEP, this area, please remember, below the BEP, this is my loss area. Yes or no? This is my loss area. Why? 80 कौन है? This is the total cost. Must be total sales. 8 जति मोर total cost है. Below आसिले कौन होगा? Sales will be less than the total cost.
Sales less than total cost.
If sales will be less than the total cost, there will be loss. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And the upper part, see, this part, this is my
Profit.
profit area. That means my sale is exceeding the cost. এই cost line উপরে রହୁଛି না sales line টা এই কেস রে এইଠି sales line টা কোন এটা দেখি পারছନ୍ତି এইଠି sales line টা তଳେ রହୁଛି cost line টা সরি cost line below sales line above sales টা যদি উপরে ରହିଲା মানে sales টা cost ରୁ ଅଧିକା ନା ନାହିଁ ବୁଝି ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ কিন্তু এই যে বিপি পয়েন্ট রু তଳ ଆଡକୁ ଦେଖିବେ ଏଠି cost line ଟା ଉପରେ ଅଛି sales line ଟା ତଳେ ଅଛି ହଁ ନା ନାହିଁ
Yes, sir.
So here cost is more than the sales. तो এই এরিয়াটা যেটা মু কইলি মার্ক করছি that is my loss area. Clear? এই যে এরিয়াটা আসিলা that is
Yes.
my profit area. Is it clear? So here at BEP this is my total cost. I can take this is my total cost at BEP. Okay. So this is the BEP we have already taken. So this point to this point मु ग्रीन पेन यूज करछि आपण जानि पाले दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट एटा कोन वेरिएबल कॉस्ट
Variable cost.
ओके दिस पॉइंट
Sure.
टू दिस पॉइंट ए पर्सन टा कोन फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट
Variable cost. Yes.
फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट सो
Yes, sir.
ए जो बीपी रे ए जो पॉइंट आ नेछंती व्हाट इज दैट इज माय टोटल कॉस्ट कारण टोटल कॉस्ट टोटल सेल्स दीटा जाको गोटिया पॉइंट रे अछंती सो दिस इज माय टोटल कॉस्ट सो टोटल कॉस्ट इज द समेशन ऑफ फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस वेरिएबल कॉस्ट
Sir.
क्लियर
Sir.
बुझी पाले ना नहीं तो एठी कोन होउची जेते बेले टोटल सेल्स आउ टोटल कॉस्ट एबव बीपी दे फॉर्मड वन एंगल ए जो बीपी टा जको जदी हम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट नबा एटे टोटल सेल्स लाइन आउ टोटल कॉस्ट लाइन दीटा जाको बीपी पॉइंट रे टच कला परे गोटे एंगल क्रिएट करछंती ना नहीं एटा गोटे
Sir.
एंगल ना नो
Angle.
ग्रीन रे जोटा मु मार्क करछि एंगल ना नो So
Angle,
this
yes, sir.
is known as angle of incidence. Angle of incidence.
Incidence.
Okay. When the angle of incidence will be more, it may be 30 degree, it may be 45 degree, it may be your 60 degree, 75 degree. That means
Profit
when
will
the
be more.
angle of incidence will be more, the firm is earning more amount of profit. Yes or no? बुझी पाले ना नहीं Are you getting or not getting? Clear?
Sir.
Okay. Now, another one concept I am going to discuss. Okay.
सर तळे जो अछि एंगल टा सेटा तो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस
हाँ
होला
सेटा एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस माने एटा लॉस एरिया रो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस एई पट एंगल टा जदी अधिक आपण करो एक्सपांड करिवो लॉस एरिया रे दैट मींस द फार्म इज इनकरिंग मोर लॉस जदी बीपी रो अबव साइड जदी एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज मोर दैट मींस द फार्म इज अर्निंग मोर प्रॉफिट जदी बिलो साइड एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज मोर द फार्म इज इनकरिंग सब्सटेंशियल लॉस बुझी पल्ले ना नहीं
सर से जो दीटा का
Sir.
एंगल पर सेम से दीटा का एंगल पर सेम
कोटा
से
नहीं
जो दीटा
वर्तमान मु एटा को एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कहली एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस सेम तड करी ऊपरटा जदी प्रॉफिट होउची माने करन तो आपन कर ए बीपी रु तळ आड को आपन होउची एटा कोन ऊपर लेवल आपन कर सेल्स हेई पारे बा तळ लेवल रे सेल्स रही पारे तळ को जदी सेल्स आसुची आपन कर कोन सही अनुसार लॉस होबो ऊपर को जदी आपन कर सेल्स जाउची सही अनुसार प्रॉफिट बढ़िबो बुझी परचंती ना नहीं
सर जो
Sir.
लाइन टा तळे रहउची सेटा रे ऊपर प्रॉफिट होउची एठी तळे रहला एठी लॉस हला
नहीं ये एबव बीपी ए बीपी ऊपर ए जो लाइन टा जाई देखंतु एटा सेल्स लाइन टा कॉस्ट लाइन ऊपर रहउची दैट मींस सेल्स इज मोर देन द कॉस्ट क्लियर किंतु बीपी रु तळ को जदी देखिबे एठी कॉस्ट लाइन टा कोन करची एटा होची कॉस्ट लाइन इज एबव द सेल्स लाइन दैट मींस टोटल कॉस्ट इज मोर आपनकर मने करंतु आपनकर सेल्स होउची एठी मो मार्क करची आपन देखंतु এই পার্টিকুলার পয়েন্ট রে সেলস হলা এটা গোটে গোল বুলাউছি দেখি পারছন্তি
yes sir
তো এটি কোন আছিল আপনাଙ୍କର
Yes, sir.
টোটাল সেলস লাইন ইজ বিলো তো এই পার্টিকুলার পয়েন্ট রে দেখিবে এইটা হচ্ছে আপনাଙ୍କର কস্ট এইটা হচ্ছে সেলস বুঝি পারছন্তি না নাই
ये
তো এটি
लॉस हो
সেলস সেলসটা আসছে মানে সেই অনুসারে লেস হবো সেই অনুসারে আপনাଙ୍କର অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ ইনসিডেন্স ক্রিয়েট হবো বুঝি পারলে
अच्छा
ওকে নাও সি দিস ইজ মাই বিইপি এই লাইনটা তো আমি নেইছন্তি বিইপি সো দিস ইজ মাই সেলস আট বিইপি বিইপি ইন ইউনিটস হউ বা আমি কোয়ান্টিটি নিয়ন্তু দিস ইজ মাই সেলস আট বিইপি মনে করন্তু মোর সেলস হউছি এইଠି মোর সেলস হউছি ওকে দিস ইজ মাই সেলস এই পয়েন্ট এটা হচ্ছে টোটাল সেলস লাইন এই পয়েন্ট রে মোর টাচ করছি টোটাল কস্ট সো টোটাল সেলস মাইনাস টোটাল কস্ট এই পোরশনটা মোর আসিলা প্রফিট এইঠু এই পোরশন রহিলা মোর ফিক্সড কস্ট প্লাস ভেরিয়েবল কস্ট সো দিস ইজ মাই অ্যাকচুয়াল সেলস এইটা হচ্ছে কোন মোর অ্যাকচুয়ালি মু এতিকি সেল করুছি হোয়াট ইজ মাই বিইপি সেলস মাই বিইপি সেলস এই যে 1000 ইউনিট এটি আমি নেইছন্তি
1000
एग्जांपल ফর
unit.
एग्जांपल মনে করন্তু এইটা মু অ্যাকচুয়াল সেল করছি 1500 কিন্তু মোর বিইপি টা কেতে 1000 so what is the difference my sales at BEP this is my sales at BEP
500
sales at BEP is 1000 actually I am selling this is my actual sales so the difference between actual sales and sales at BEP is known as margin of
margin
safety
of safety
yes or no so what is my
Yes,
margin
yes,
of
sir.
safety what is my margin of safety 1500
sir actually
minus 1000 in the instance example that is 500 units বুঝি পারলে না নাই 500
Yes.
units তো 500 unit কু এইটি যদি আপন जोड़ी দেবে y axis রে you can also get the values বুঝি পারলে আপনকৰ 880 হেলা values এইটু গোটে ভ্যালু পাইবে না নাই
sir
Are you getting my point? BEP ର ভ্যালু মনে করন্তু আপন এইটা আসিছি 10000 সপোজ এইটি আপনকৰ আসিলা সপোজ 15000 বুঝি পারলে না না এটা ভ্যালু
Sir.
সো 15000 মাইনাস 10000 ভ্যালুটা কেতে আসিব
5000
এই কেস রে ভ্যালু আসিব ইন রুপিস যদি কইবা एक्चुअल सेल्स होची 15000 सेल्स एट बीईपी होची 5000 so that will be 5000 ना 10000 10000 that will be 5000 clear did you understand
sir
this is how we can graphically present the data under break-even analysis oh we have already crossed the time limit okay so for today this much now let us wind up the session for today I have already taken more time anyway thank you everyone for joining with me have a good day stay safe and stay blessed thank you all
thank you sir thank you